Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in to this Polymer Clay tutorial. Today I'm making a mushroom from Mario Brothers, and you can use this technique to make some earrings, a keychain, desk toy, or even a 3D Mario mushroom. To get started, you need some white, black, red, and light skin Polymer Clay. The first thing you want to do is take your light skin clay and get it to a rough rectangle shape. Push down the bottom a bit so that the bottom looks like it's rounded. Cut off any excess from the sides so that you get a square. Then push in the bottom corners so that they also look rounded. In order to make the cap, take some red clay and get it into a kind of circle shape, and then put it on top of the other clay you already made and have it overlap a little bit. Use your fingers to shape it into more of that mushroom cap shape where the top is up a little bit and the sides are down. So the part that's covering the face should be curved up and the sides should be curved down. To make the white spots, take a little ball of white clay and push it into a circle, and then put that circle in the middle of the red cap. Make another circle for the sides, and then cut out two parts so you can place those directly on the sides of the cap. And then to make the eyes, take a small amount of black clay and cut it into two equal parts. Roll the parts into a ball and then roll them with your fingers a bit more until you get a rounded ellipse shape. Place the black clay on the face and then move it into position. To make those white dots on the eye, take a really tiny piece of white clay and cut it in half. Roll that clay into two very small balls and put the balls towards the top of the eyes you made earlier. Use your finger or tool to flatten it out a bit so that those pieces look rounded on the eye. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos and check out our website fireflyart.supplies, linked below, to get Polymer Clay and Sculpture Pro.